What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have P50 from Cubot. This is a smartphone, a budget smartphone. Why am I doing a review video of a budget smartphone? Because a lot of people have made comments like, why do you always make reviews of flagships or mid-range smartphones? Why don't you try budget smartphones? So I have bought 3 budget devices. Budget means very budget. So I have bought 3 smartphones. One is from this Cubot, this one is P50, another is from Blackview A55 Pro, and another is from Aukitel. So after doing all the tests, after doing all the comparisons, I think this one is the best. This Cubot P50 is the king of budget smartphones, which costs less than $150. At the beginning, let me mention this one costs less than $130, and for $129 you are gonna get 6 GB of RAM, not like 4 or 3 GB of RAM which other brands are offering. 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Let's do the unboxing. I'm not gonna lie, I have already unboxed this product. I've been using this product for almost 15 days now. I think 18 days. Yeah, I've been using this smartphone for 18 days now, so that I know about the performance of this product. Okay, let's do the unboxing and check what things comes inside the box. This is our Cubot P50. This one comes with a protective case. Yeah, TPU silicone protective case, but a good quality one. It's not dirty. Actually, the color is like this. I actually like the finish of this product. I mean, this smartphone. We will talk about that later. Let's put the phone aside and see what things we have inside the box. There is a thank you card which shows how to use the smartphone. Actually, this smartphone comes with a removable battery, and that means you can change your battery by yourself without any hassle. There is a quick start guide. I like the idea. Yeah, the total design, it looks pretty premium and it gives a posh vibe. You will also get warranty and compliance regulation papers. Wow, this one comes with earbuds. Cool. There is a charger. This one is a 10-watt charger. Yeah. And a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Very good quality charging cable. I'm not gonna take these things out because I have a lot of these cables and chargers. Let's put everything inside the box and check our Cubot P50. At the first look, I thought this is a very premium product. Yeah, this looks premium, very premium. At the back, the rear panel, this is plastic, but in hand, this one will give you totally premium feelings. I don't know how they processed this plastic, but this matte finish, oh my god, this is super crazy. Super premium feelings. Okay, I have mentioned earlier, you can actually remove this plastic panel. Yeah, this is the battery, and this one is a 4200 milliamp hour battery, and wow, removable battery. That's great. I'm so excited to see that for $129 you're gonna get a very good main sensor. That's a Sony IMX486. A lot of people would say Sony IMX486, that's like 2 or 3 years old. But remember, Sony IMX486 is a flagship class sensor. Even if it is 2 or 3 years old, it's way better than those 12 megapixel or 40 megapixel generic sensors. I mean, there are a lot of cheap smartphones comes with pretty cheap sensors, but this one, even being cheap, comes with a lot of good things. For example, the display panel. It's a LCD panel for sure, but it's better than many other. It looks a bit weird due to that chin, but altogether performance of this display panel is way better than its competitors like Blackview A55 Pro. I really don't like the display panel of that smartphone. Within this price range, it's my guarantee, because I have tried a lot to find a better smartphone within this price range which comes with a better display panel, but I didn't find one. If you can find one, then let me know. Well, we are gonna check the display panel and we are gonna listen to the sound, the music. Let's check the speaker quality. Shh. Okay, at this point I'm totally satisfied because this is a LCD panel, a 720p panel, and wow, performance is very good. This one goes very bright under sunlight, it's totally visible. Yeah, black is very dark, white is very bright, colors are vivid and vibrant. I mean, you cannot compare this with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, but if you compare this with its competitors and beyond its competition, like beyond $200 US, I don't think you're gonna get a better display panel. This is like surprise to me. And sound quality of this bottom firing speaker is also very good. I'm happy, I'm satisfied. If you're looking for something better, then definitely you have to spend more, not 1 or 2 times more, maybe 3 times more. Well, can we play games on this one? Because this one comes with Helio P52, a 12nm based processor. Let's see whether we can play games or not. I've been playing Real Racing 3 on this one side by side with many other cheap and budget smartphones. The performance of this one is very good, above standard. I cannot say this will provide you blazing gaming performance, but you can play games and yeah, it's good. Like playing games on other budget smartphones, I mean playing games on its competitors like Blackview A55 Pro, that's like torture. You cannot really play games on that one because this one comes with more RAM, 6GB of RAM, and altogether gaming experience on this one is okay, better than standard, better than what you can expect from a $130 smartphone. Okay, let's talk about the exterior or appearance of this smartphone a bit more. I have already talked about the rear panel, but if you wanna know, then on top there is nothing but a 3.5mm port. Volume rockers and power button is on the right side, there is nothing on the left side. Altogether, build quality is very good and it looks premium, especially this gold color. This one doesn't look that cheap. Many other smartphone brands which uses this gold color, those looks pretty cheap, but this one looks very nice, very premium and posh. At the beginning I have mentioned about the primary sensor, that's the Sony IMX486. Let's check some pictures that I have taken with this smartphone.
When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy.
Well, what do you think? Isn't it good? It's good. It's better. It's better than many other smartphones. And finally, there is one more thing, the battery. This one comes with a 4200 mAh lithium-ion battery, and I have managed to squeeze more than 9 hours of screen on time. I have tried to drain the battery heavily. I mean, I have asked Aurora. Yeah, we have someone new over here. That's Aurora. She is our new Final Cut editor. You already know about Philip. Yeah, they both have tried to drain the battery of this smartphone, but it always gives more than 9 hours of screen on time. That's great. We didn't try to check the charging speed because this is a budget smartphone, comes with a 10-watt charger. We know charging speed won't be like 30 minutes or 60 minutes, it's more than 90 minutes. Altogether, what's my verdict about this smartphone? I'm in love with this one. For this price, I have failed to get anything better. If you have any other idea, any other option, any other brand, any other smartphone model in your mind that you think would perform better than this and comes with a cheaper price tag, please let us know. But till then, if you want to buy a very good smartphone within $130, then this is what we are going to recommend here in Hans Tech Talk. Especially me, I'm in love with this one. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please click on the like button. Like and subscription button is over there. Subscribe to this channel and support through content.